guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is my last video for the night, so I decided to do something creative. So I put a lot of shaving cream in the slime, and what I'm gonna be doing is adding too much stuff to slime video. I've been seeing some of them, and I'm using a pencil. I have been seeing them, and I just thought, maybe I should do it because now I have a real YouTube channel. So today I will be doing it. So, look at my tongue. What is wrong with my tongue? I don't know why it's purple, but it doesn't really matter. So, the first thing I'm going to be adding is food coloring. So, hold on, there's food coloring all over my floor. Okay. Okay, so first I'm going to put a lot of purple in, if I even have. Okay, so I got that much purple out, but I don't really care. So now time for the blue. I don't even know if I have blue left. Jeez, my hands are dyed so much. Okay, so I don't really have a lot, but it does not really matter. Really gonna have to wash my hands. Smells pretty good, but yeah, I can like literally dye the pencil right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So yes, the first thing that I'm adding is food coloring. Just gonna mix that in, and then you guys are not going to believe what I'm going to be putting in next. I am going to just be putting string in it. So I don't know where my scissors are, but I'm just going to put the whole thing in it. So yeah, guys, I'm being so creative right now, right? Like, seriously. Just want to see if this activates it, like, makes it, like, come up a little bit more. Okay. The next thing is chalk. So I don't know if the chalk is going to ruin it, but we are going to test it out. So I'm just going to break little pieces off of chalk. Kind of looks like a dessert right now, but it won't look much as a dessert when it's all done. Oh, guys. So this is not really slime anymore, so we're only doing one more, which I'm super excited about, and I don't know what I'm doing. Probably gonna put some paint in, so I'm gonna put in some white paint. Actually, a lot of white paint, but does not really matter. So yeah, that was a lot of white paint, and let's just mix that all in. Oh, guys. Guys. Oh, jeez. This is crazy. This is huge and crazy. How am I supposed to take this out? It's not even slime. It's not even slime anymore. What am I supposed to do? Oh, here's a string. Oh, okay. I'm going to play with this part where it has a string in it. Ugh. Oh, look at the string. This is a whole thing of string. That's just disgusting. Jazz? Yeah? Little help here. So yeah, guys, this was making lots of weird different slimes. Can you stop the video for me? So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Bye.